What's up guys, Zabe here for iCircuit.com with a hard reset guide for all Apple devices. In this video we will show you how you can hard reset any Apple device that you may have, including iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6s and all models of iPad, iPod Touch and Apple Watch. Hard resetting an Apple device can solve many problems, as it can be particularly useful in situations when your device is stuck, not responding to touch or having other hardware or software related problems. Hard resetting an iOS device or Apple Watch will force reboot its software and hopefully solve any problems it is having. The hard reset process for each iPhone model is different, so we will show you how you can do it on each one of them. Let's start with a guide for iPhone 10, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Press the volume up button and then press the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button and keep it pressed until your screen turns off and you see the Apple logo. You can let go when the Apple logo appears. Next up are iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold the power button and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep the buttons pressed until the Apple logo appears. Let go once it does. If you have an iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, 6 or older, then follow these steps. Press and hold the power button and home button at the same time. Keep the buttons pressed until the Apple logo appears. Let go once it does. Here's how you can hard reset any model of iPad or iPod Touch. Press and hold the power button and home button at the same time. Keep the buttons pressed until the Apple logo appears. Let go once it does. In order to hard reset Apple Watch, press and hold the digital crown button and the side button at the same time. Keep the buttons pressed until you see the Apple logo. Let go when the Apple logo appears. There you go folks, this is how you can hard reset your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch or Apple Watch. If you found this video to be helpful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. We will see you in the next one.